Hey, I'm Taisha with WTI, and I am wearing my custom Disney Family Vacation t-shirt.
We purchased these shirts because we were taking our first family trip to Disney World, and for the first time ever, it was going to be all 10 of us in one place. So we decided to purchase these shirts. The best thing about these shirts is that you can get them personalized. So we all got our names on our shirts. These are so cute. They have a really cute design on them. The women's shirts come with a little bow on a Minnie shape on them, and the men's shirts come with a Mickey shape on them. So we were torn between getting what color we were going to get. So we chose both. Half the family chose black, half the family chose white shirts. All of our family pictures came out so cute.
And that's my point of view.